Obasanjo had a meeting with the Northerners, Northern Democratic League, if I'm correct, where he told them that, the same sin they committed, and became president is the same sin Igbos committed, and nobody has given them presidency. What would have made Obasanjo to say that Nigeria has fed Nigeria and fed Africa?
Yes.
And for that reason, until Igbo became who they are, Africans can never work. Can we hear your reaction?
Obasanjo is right. And I've always shared the views of Olusegun Obasanjo. Obasanjo is a nationalist. I must not forget that Obasanjo was there during the Civil War. Obasanjo attacked somebody from the north. He said that even you, it's like Ahmed Jordan, I said, even you,
yes,
he wanted to succeed from Nigeria. You understand? Not even for independence, not to say that they were not ready for independence. Even they wanted to succeed at a particular time. So because of that, you have been the president. Then why are you now denying the Igbo's presidency? Because of the same what you wanted to do, and they wanted to do the same thing. You understand? People like Obasanjo have seen that the way the country is going, there's no hope. Obasanjo have seen it. It's an elderly man. In a language, they say what an elderly man can see while sitting down, a young man cannot see it, even if they climb on top of a tree. Obasanjo have seen the indices that it is finished. My brother, it is finished. Nigeria has failed the black. I didn't say it.
He said it.
Nigeria has failed woefully, not just a complete disaster, a complete failure. I always tell all of you, if Nigeria is a man, they will say, this man, you're a useless man. If Nigeria is a human being as a country, over 60 years, achieve nothing, they look at the man, you're a foolish man, you're a fool. 60 years of nothing to show, nothing to show for it. How old is Dubai? India, 1945, our own is 1960, just 15 years. India is going to the moon. Nigeria overtook India under Buhari as the poorest country in the world. Poorest. The poorest country in the world. 2014, Nigeria was going progress. 2024 now. A man is working, nothing to eat, just working like a fool. So, opposite I've seen is that the way this country is going, people are just working, just roaming about. Some people, they dress up in the morning, think they are going to work, nothing, no work.
The Northerners, are they actually regretting? Why would they pay him a visit? Are they actually regretting what they did?
They must regret it. They must regret it. But now, let me tell you, the South is more possible than the North. Now, if anything happens, the first casualty are always the North. At least Nigeria was postponed under Jonathan. It was they that removed Jonathan. They know they want Buhari to come.
But they say they want Jonathan back.
And now the chicken have come up to roost now. It's almost too late. They're now begging Jonathan to come back. They have now seen their eyes that look at the nonsense we have made because of religion and something. 2014, because if you make one mistake, it's a mistake. If you make two mistakes, it's not like a mistake. That means you're a fool. 2015, you made a mistake. You removed Jonathan. 2027 came that you can now make up for that mistake when you saw a better candidate. But he said you want a Muslim ticket. Now take a look at it. Some farmers are eating grass in the north. Grass, like a malu. Expired rice, expired beans, just find something to eat. You're now begging Jonathan to come back. Why would he come back? You disgrace him now. You call him a drunkard. You say, hey, he did go in the morning, go in the morning. The one that does not go in the morning, look at where he has taken it to. In insecurity, in prosperity, they have gone backward. A man built for you, Almajiri school. Let your children go to school. He said, no, you don't want to go to school. Jonathan had plans for the north. He said, no, let us put Buhari. Buhari is on their zone. Look at the level of poverty, insecurity in the north. Even the Boko Haram that was planted by the north to force Jonathan. Now look at it. Boko Haram now, have they left the north? Fulani S-men have joined. Bandits have joined. In some local government in the north, bandits are reigning supreme. And even state governors, even a state governor now is now accusing the former governor that you are the one that is empowering bandits. What are you talking about? So it is too late. You don't care what speech means. It is too late. You're not begging. Okay, what do you want Jonathan to come and do now? After Nigeria incurred debt, you are bold. nothing to show for it. Keep on pouring money, keep on pouring money, keep on pouring money. You understand? So I don't believe with that. I don't believe with that leaders. The only thing they should do now, other people, if they have brain now, is they should go and beg person like Peter Obi to come and rescue them. That's the only way that can rescue them. Because they say he's stingy. A man, let me tell you, if you are working for money, it looks as if you are stingy because you know the sweat you make. But if you see a foolish person that maybe he does all these drugs and nonsense, that one can be dashing money. Hey, Peter Obi is stingy. He's stingy. Okay, the one that's not stingy now, are you enjoying the country? They should go and beg. It's not all this pride they are doing. No, there's no time for pride again. Go and beg. That's the only thing.
But they are using Kwankwaso to talk to Obi. Kwankwaso said, "No, I'm not going to be president. I want to be vice to you." Is that not enough begging?
No, it's not enough. They should apologize.
You are an extremist, obedient. Let me put it that way. It's like your strategy is actually working. You know, Nigeria is regretting APC completely. But we're looking at what the former president is saying. At this point, he said, "Return presidency to an Igbo man." What is it that Igbo man have that other people doesn't have?
No. It's not about Igbo man. It's about you have tried somebody from a Yoruba man. You have tried Obasanjo. You saw what he did. Yaradua is from the north. May so rest in peace. We saw what he did. Jonathan is from Niger Delta. We saw what he did. Buhari is from the north. We saw what he did. We now see what Tinubu is doing. Now it is let us give to other people that we have not tried. Let's see, maybe because these ones they know how to do business. Let's see they can use our business acumen. I'm not talking about just giving an any Igbo man. I'm not mentioning all this. No, I'm talking about a competent man, not all these ones. But there are some Igbo men who they are incompetent. We know them. They don't have anything to offer. People like Peter Obi that have brain, that have something, that are the prospering in business, not a politician. You can't politician that don't have brain. No, a man that has vision, a man that believes in education, that does not spend money anyhow, dashing money, wasting money. Someone like that should be given that opportunity. Let us now see. We're going to see the difference between light and darkness. There's a difference now. There's light and there's darkness. There's a difference between the both of them. So let's give a man that have vision, that have brain, not all these politicians. All they know is to play politics. They can appoint anybody. Politics. No, I mean somebody that can manage your resources. A man that you can put come and head my organization. Someone like that should be given that opportunity to be about all these shenanigans.
Okay, but I think Tinubu is trying to sit up now. You can see a powerful move, trying to reshuffle his cabinet. Is he preparing for a better policies this time around, or what? I don't know. Some are saying that those ministries are not too relevant, are not too important. You know, he can throw them away and nobody will feel it. But at least he has done something. You know, at this point, how would you assess Tinubu's reshuffling and people here are also appointed?
I don't know. Now one, reshuffling or no, it's neither nor there. The name, Mr. of State, all those ones. You know, there's nothing. The central bank governor is still there. Mr. of Finance is still there. So what is all these ones? All these ones to me, he himself is still the Minister of Petroleum. So what reshuffling? It will change nothing. You cannot give what you don't have. All these ones, what are you changing about? You cannot give what you don't have. You cannot take a goat to UK and the goat now become a cow. A goat is a goat. It's your capacity. You understand all this? If you like, you can't see. Let me tell you something. It is a foundation that matters. You cannot build something on nothing. How did you get there? Who voted for you? Do the people trust you? That is the thing. All this announcing midnight results, people are sleeping and have somebody president. That is the problem. It's not about if you are not like reshuffle anybody. That's not my problem. You want to say action. All this reshuffling, action. If possible, bring back fuel subsidy. All this remove fuel subsidy. See the problem. Bring back fuel subsidy. You have not seen the result. Have you seen any result? Instead, you have seen more hunger, more poverty, more insecurity and everything. Inflation and everything. So, if possible, bring back fuel subsidy. Let them subsidy. Because that's the only thing Nigeria is enjoying. They're not enjoying anything. They go subsidy on education, no subsidy on food, no subsidy on drugs and everything. Only fuel subsidy now. They have removed it. So it's not about if like reshuffle anybody. I saw putting Bianca Ojukwu, somebody said, but all those things are just Bianca Ojukwu is the Igbos. If you like bring back Ojukwu, the Igbos know what they want. They are not fools. They are not mumu. I don't bow down. They don't bow down to anybody. So what are you bringing is bring Ojukwu. Ojukwu himself, when he contested as the president, did he win in the southeast? Start talking about say bring Bianca Ojukwu. And somebody is that all this. You see, you must think. To whom brain is given, sense expected. If God gives you brain, you can think.
Confirm.
You can talk, just open mouth and talk. Open mouth. Andre Bianca Ojukwu does not change anything. What they want is justice. What are your brother bringing Bianca Ojukwu? Equity and fairness. Let everybody be on the same pedestal. Not that one people is above one people and are saying they're bringing Bianca Ojukwu. To do what? They are not fools. They know what they are doing. They have seen the hand. Look at this man. What is it? They have seen that on the wall. Bianca Ojukwu cannot give 100,000 votes in Anambra. What are you talking about? They cannot give 100,000 votes in Anambra. They know for themselves. They can think for themselves. These are Republican people now. They don't bother to monarch. They don't bother to any king. So they themselves will now decide what they want. If, for example, if they find a way, for example, to release Kanu, they find a way, for example, to reduce the checkpoints in the east. They can say, okay, all this is Bianca Ojukwu what? 500 Bianca, nothing will change. You understand? So when he say you are putting people on this minister, I saw all this is not the same. The price of bread will not go down. Okay? The price of bread will not go down.
Because you appointed Ojukwu. And it's a fact.
Yes, now. The price of petrol will not go down. The price of entering bus will not go down. So before you celebrate, use your head. Don't celebrate mediocrity. Don't celebrate nonsense. If you want to celebrate with brain. What at the end is this thing a way forward for our people? Bianca Ojukwu, what? Oh, okay, what's it going to change now? It will change nothing. Not is a minister. He's even a minister of state. That's a junior minister. So what is that? She even have Oga. So what is before I tell you all this? You see, something. See, now it's time to say the truth. Something is wrong with Nigerian people. I'm telling you, this something is wrong. It's like they have put something in our food. The way Nigerian person will talk, like, is this one? Even a cow can take more than some human being. Even a goat is better than some human being. You are celebrating Bianca Ojukwu for what? Are you not a human being? Okay. What is the value of that appointment to the Igbo people or to the east? No, somebody should tell me. You don't just come out and just start talking nonsense. That appointment has no value for the Igbo people. It's a political good for her. And no, you can at least the constitution says that president must appoint ministers. All right, so it's not a compensation. It is the right of anybody to be appointed as long as you are from a particular state. But that does not change anything. The suffering in Nigeria has gone beyond God Almighty. Obasanjo must come out.
Attaching it to appointment of Bianca Ojukwu. No.
It does not. Like I said,
it
does not change anything. That's just one side. It's by the side. It will what I'm talking about. I'm telling you that people like Obasanjo have seen. Obasanjo to have said that Nigeria has failed. You don't understand what.
Not only Nigeria, he said it has failed black race.
Oh, you are supposed to be the leader of Africa now. Nigeria is supposed to be the leader of Africa. Now you see, let me mention BRICS for example. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. BRICS. If ordinary Nigeria should be in that kind of Nigeria is supposed to be leader of Africa now, but now if you look at any time Nigeria when African leaders goes outside, the person you're going to see every time he's still Ramaphosa. The president of South Africa is always leading. That is the position of Nigeria, and that was our position under Obasanjo. So it will pain that man that what kind of something, what is happening
after like what he has done.
Yes.
The foundation he has laid.
Yes, now
brought the lives of Okonjo-Iweala and them renowned international
people that have brain as ministers.
That's correct.
I'm telling you. You see, it's like a Galacticos. If you watch you, but that's Real Madrid. All stars. Even when Jordan did it, good cabinet, all Galacticos. Not all this, not all these ones now. Politicians have nothing to offer. Compensation, just dead. Wake up and sleep in the office. No result, nothing. Nigeria was number one, GDP number one in Africa. Now, where are we today? Where are we? Even IMF now, IMF. Look at the projection I'm not IMF. Look at what they've given to Nigeria's projection. Look at go, they just released it. Just go and look at it. You understand? But this is leadership matters. Leadership matters. And the thing that our level of leadership keeps going down every time. And you wonder. Look at the Edo State election.
Thank you.
It's a tragedy. It's a disgrace.
Thank you.